back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you have not already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Today on the menu, we're going to be making a bacon sarnie or bacon sandwich. I had loads and loads of emails about this one, strangely enough. But yeah, we've got some nice streaky bacon I'm using in there. I'm using a nice brown sauce or HP sauce. Lovely stuff. Let's go and do it. Okay, well the first thing to talk about is what bacon. This is a streaky bacon, much cheaper than this smoked back. Now, some people will prefer one to the other. I actually prefer this, a little bit more fatty, just a bit nicer for me. But yeah, some people will prefer that. Expensive, cheaper, preference, up to you. So choose your bacon. Okay, next is our bread. Some people will swear that you must only use white bread, you know, and a square white sandwich bread. That's really common in sort of, you know, working man sort of cafe type of things, but I'm going with this kind of bloomery thing. Yeah, up to you. Just make sure, nice and fresh. Okay, and then what sauce? Tomato ketchup or a brown sauce like a HP or a Daddy's or something like that. For me, 100% brown sauce. Okay, so any form of skillet you want at all. I'm going to do the streaky, so I'm just going to put it in. I'm not putting any oil in here, anything at all. Some people would put a little bit of oil in, but there's enough fat there for it to cook in. And then it's just down to preference now. People would like it really burnt, crispy, so it's kind of, you know, hard basically, it goes hard. You can cook it however you want. But yeah, I'm preferring this streaky today. A few little bits there. And we're done. What I find important is I don't want it fast cooked. So just, you know, for me, nice and low. Then already you can see that the heat's just getting through it and there's water and oil coming out of that from the fat. So yeah, low, slow. I'm going to flip them over in a bit, and like I say, get them to the colour that you want. Okay, so our bacon's cooking away there. Slices of bread. I've got some butter. Now some people again wouldn't put butter. For me, definitely butter. What some people would do is get the bacon out, and then get the bread in and dip it into the fat, excess fat that's in the pan. I just like straight butter here, and I'm not going to be that shy with it. And once the hot bacon hits that, it's going to all melt and be amazing. So we've gone through the process of it, releasing loads of water, and you can see now it's starting to crisp up here. So I'm not far away. Some people would do this much darker, and like I say, it would actually, if it got cold, be stiff like wood. Couple more minutes, then we're going to get that in our bread. Okay, off goes the heat. Got my bacon nice and hot onto that butter, still sizzling, you can see. I am loving this. And like I say, some people would cook it a little bit more until it's kind of much browner. Oops a daisy. But that's good for me. Let's get that over there. Now, the goodness. Here we go. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh! Right, get your top on that, cut that in half. Nice strong cup of tea, lovely. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Yeah. Cup of tea, please.